Speaking of vehicles, we've been talking a lot about the new Ford Bronco. It's gathered a bunch of attention, as you're well aware. This is a hot segment of the market. We have an image that emerged recently of the Bronco, the new Bronco, probably like a test model of the Bronco parked next to a Jeep, which this appears to be, this is shaping up to be the battle of the off-road vehicles. And I was curious what your thoughts were here, Will. You see them parked beside each other. It's obvious they target one another. They're competing with one another. The Jeep has the classic look, which really hasn't changed much over the years. Now you have the Bronco coming into the equation. And those are four-door models, by the way. They're up against a two-door model of the Jeep. And you scroll down, you get another image there as well. I'm curious, how do you stack these? I think obviously the Bronco looks a little more futuristic. Mm-hmm. The Jeep looks a little more rugged. Where are your taste buds on this, Will?
You know, I've always been a fan of the classy look of the Jeep. But the new Bronco, man, there's something with the front of it. It just looks cool.
It's doing something to It's doing something to you.
Especially with the black.
Okay. Did you just pick the Bronco?
Yeah, I would take it over the Jeep.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Well, at least you get to be in the fresh, you get to hop into the completely fresh thing. There's something to be said for that. If you go head out and buy a Jeep right now, it is what it has been for a little while.
Right.
And so it feels a little less fresh in that sense, but that's kind of the point of the Jeep as well. So it is a tough choice. I think the Jeep still looks a little more off-roady. For whatever reason, it could just be the way it is in my mind. It could be the way the front bumper is or the fenders, but that thing looks very off-roady.
Yes.
But definitely less futuristic in my mind.